Yeah, auntie. Where you take off the wheel for? Where you take off the wheel for? So, yeah, I'll make one video now. Ready? Go and get ready. Be there and put in your clothes. Let's say I left that? Alright. Blessings peeps. So welcome back to Elite Jamaica. Today guys, we're on our way back to the hardware. We're going to be purchasing some of the materials for Mr. Grant's house. Alright, so yeah man, follow me. I'm going to take you all through details of that. And yeah, watch the intro. I do not have a crazy story to tell. Like I dropped out of college or I quit my job and traveled the world. I am just a normal person with passions I am willing to pursue. Follow me on my journey as I show you what I accomplish. I am Alex, and this is Elite Jamaica.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong.
Good day, I know if my father, if my father see you. Go down. So one night time, peeps, I go up the road and Cuckoo decide him come and him run down the car, Decide him now go back down the road, Go under the car, go lay down, I go show him that clip because my dad recorded that day there. So guys, me and my little brother go on the road and the dog decide say him come and him not turning back. I try run him down, you know what him do? Him go under the car. Decide say him come. And now we up the road with it. Me don't know where I go on. Come out! Yeah, peeps, father that. It's a black today, is it? Yeah, peeps, so y'all understand how we're gonna go about this. Funding come in, we go to the hardware, we purchase something, we get the invoice. When it reaches to a delivery amount, we make a delivery. We don't want to be delivering everything each time we make a purchase because that's going to be a lot of deliveries. Alright, so yeah, we're going to purchase the sand and the gravel. After that, we're going to be purchasing the blocks, then the steel. We know so them things that are the most important to start the foundation. Alright guys, so yeah man. So that's what we do today. We have to go up here, so pay for the sand and the gravel and sort out delivery and all of that, but we're not gonna be delivering today. Alright peeps? Yeah man. So gonna follow me. I realize.
Oh, before you get to yeah. Alright.
Yeah guys, so we're on our way around to the crusher. That's the quarry where the sand and gravel is sold, because the hardware said that their truck wouldn't be able to deliver the sand and gravel up the hill. I want to know say I want hill though. Alright, so yeah, that we're going to do now. Guys, as to the total we got the other day on the list that I was showing you guys, the invoice. The first installment on that invoice for the blocks, for 450 blocks at $4,500. That was a mistake made by the hardware. That should be $45,000, guys. Alright, 450 blocks is for $45,000 as it's $100 per block. Alright, so I just wanted to make that correction and have that out there. Just want to say a special thank you to the person who made this possible. This contribution came from VC in New York. I'm just going to use your initials. I won't say your name, and I really want to say blessings, man. Is it? Really appreciate it. So guys, yeah man, follow me. We are going to the quarry. Let's see if we can get that thing sorted out, alright? Yeah man. See man, peeps, and see what they down the road. Big cow in the road down there, so you know peeps. Yeah man. No, that's something they go. They have a red mask in there. Yeah, one. Where my seat? I'm not depend on something, they're going to run him. Go and run him now? Nah man, you have to run him man. Yeah, you have to run him and I'll go down there. Make sure you can run, you know, when you start running down here. Please, my father going like saying not afraid of cow, you know. And the two are afraid of cow, not me alone. You say, man, look on that, man. Yeah. Yeah, man, you see it? You see that? No, he must move fast. I never want to come out of the road. Your peeps, I'm going back a bush. Enter upon people property and you know see nobody down.
Dog will bite.
Yes, nobody. I'll go over there too, you know.
Eh?
Go over there. Oh, so one over there, so too. Yeah, peeps, just want a sign on the gate said dogs. You know, Jamaicans are scared of dogs. Yeah. The sign the peeps. Beware of dog. Dog will bite. You say, I wait this, somebody I call somebody. Yes, sir.
No, I check with no dog, brother.
They don't work with dog.
No, my dog, I don't know them.
They don't work with dog. You can't tame them.
I don't know, I don't see the size dog, I don't see what quality, I don't see what type of dog. So a mongrel dog, no, we can't control them.
Go over there and see if we see what kind of dog. It's for a pit bull over there.
You afraid of cow, me afraid of dog.
Alright, come in now. Yeah guys, so we have entered the quarry. Them said the dog with the door over here dead. So there is no other dogs here. Alright, so we'll try get that thing sort out. So So guys, we are going our next hardware, our next quarry, because them down there so them a make sand and them don't know how to sell sand and them want to sell sand. And he might tell you about one of them big truck, they like that truck back over, he might tell you about one big truck and that say that are the load what them sell. And like peeps, I don't even want to sound that way but them confusing. So we'll go down at the one down at the roundabout and see if we can get it there. They not even have a receipt book around us of write an invoice or write a receipt. You understand, on a big operation. I don't know where we're going in our little parish. Yeah guys, so on the way down the road I realized that even when I buy the gravel we have some money leave over. So I went ahead and purchased some of the blocks. Here I have the receipt for that. I'm gonna show you all of that guys. I'm gonna put a screenshot of that on the screen. I can see that. Alright, and we're on our way tomorrow day now to the quarry to get the sand and the gravel. Alright? Yeah man.
Alright, let me check it out. It's called Rocky Mead. I was a Rocky Mead. Yeah.
Blessings everyone, and thanks for watching. Alright, so yesterday guys we did not get a chance to get the sand and the gravel. Seems we're gonna have a problem because persons are saying that they won't be able to deliver up on that hill. However, we're gonna try to see if we can get our own vehicle or try to find somewhere to get the sand and gravel up there guys. So we're going back on the road today and yeah, we're gonna try to do that. Alright guys, it's a pity donations aren't coming in as quick as they should be, because we should have really reached further already guys. It's the rainy season and yeah, it really about me because Mr. Grant need a roof over his head. Alright guys, so yeah, check out the video today. It's gonna be a part 2 and y'all stay blessed.